Welcome. Today, let's walk through the latest way to send a photo to a chat on Instagram using your PC. If you've mostly used Instagram on your phone, you'll be surprised at how simple this is on desktop with the new update. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. For the smoothest experience, make sure your browser is up to date. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like an envelope or a speech bubble. This is where all your direct messages are stored. Now, browse through your list of conversations and find the chat where you want to send your photo. Click on that chat to open the conversation window. You'll see the message bar at the bottom, just like you do on your phone. Look for the small photo icon right next to where you type your message. This icon usually looks like a picture or a tiny camera. Click on it, and a file dialog will pop up, allowing you to browse the files on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your photo is saved, select the image you want to share, and click Open. You'll see the photo appear in your message bar, ready to send. Finally, all you need to do is click the Send button. Your photo will be delivered instantly in the chat, where your friends or group can view and respond right away. That's it. With this new Instagram update, sharing photos from your PC is quick and easy. Whether you're sending a memory, sharing something fun, or just keeping in touch, this feature makes connecting even more convenient. Try it out and enjoy sharing your favorite moments right from your computer.